Well, the lockout is over, and nobody is happier about it than our next guest, owner of the Pittsburgh Penguins, the legendary DVE Mario. How you doing, Mario?
Good morning, girls. Yeah, that's correct. I'm happy. The hockey is back. Lockout's over there. Things are starting to get pretty tight over here in Sewickley. It went on much longer. I was going to have to start drinking Franza Chardonnay from out of the box.
Really?
No, I'm still very wealthy. No, that was a joke for the comedy, You got to have that on the DV morning show,
You sound sick, Mario.
Well, obviously I've had the flu, 24 hours, supposed to be a 48-hour flu, but Burkle got on Batman's ass, and we got it down to half a flu, which is a much more competitive flu. I mean, every sneeze means something that way, for sure.
Well, we're glad you're feeling better, Mario.
Yeah.
I bet you're looking forward to hanging out with Sid again.
Oh, he was already here, first thing yesterday morning, 6 a.m., he came bolting through the door. He's so excited. It's like when Christian the Lion met his tamers after being out on the savannah for 10 years, Big paws are all over me, licking my face, and, kicking those big freakish legs, I had to have Jimmy Pack tranquilize him and then drag him off me. He's so excited. Got him a peanut butter and jelly, and, he seemed to settle down after that, But you know what they say, half a season
is better than no season at all?
No, it's better than having to watch Ray Lewis dance another couple of weeks. That was obnoxious. I gotta tell you, I'm most happy for Staggy. He started to donate plasma. Yeah, it's getting tough for the little guy. Getting anemic. I was worried about him. But, game on, boys. Let's get back on the pond. And by pond, I mean the $320 million barn that hasn't been used for anything except Justin Bieber concert since last April,
DVE Mario, everybody.
Au revoir.